y'all. Y'all got lots of Easter eggs laying around this weekend. Looking for ways to repurpose them? Here's a couple crafts. Keep you and the kids busy this Saturday or Sunday afternoon. And we'll show you how we did them. Hey y'all, I'm Lindsay and this is Sterling Grace. And today,
we're doing 2 crafts.
The first thing we're gonna make is a shaker.
Technically, Mommy, it's a rocker.
Or a maraca. You know what this is?
Yeah.
What's this?
And a hot screwdriver.
Close. A hot glue gun. All right, so what do we need for a maraca? 1 Easter egg, 2 spoons, rice, and these are the optionals. Pipe cleaner, Sharpie, 2 little eyeballs, and I don't know what it's called.
It's a blue ball.
I don't know what you're called. No.
Poof ball.
Get our spoon and dip it in the rice. Put some in your eggs. Perfect. And we're gonna close our eggs. Perfect. Do it. Oopsies. The idea is that the spoons will go on the sides like this. You can hold it by the handles and shake it. So let's put some glue on the spoon. I'm gonna put the glue on your spoon. Lots of glue, just to be sure.
Again.
There's yours. All right. If you just want to make it real easy, shake her up. Also, you know, church services are at home these days. So Easter Sunday morning, the worship needs your kids involved. Get them a shaker.
Yep.
Shake it on up.
Shake me up.
Shake me up before you go. No. Now in Sterling's, we're gonna make hers extra special.
We did this, and we did this, and we're gonna do this.
These are gonna be the ears.
Ears.
Ears. All right, so here are gonna be the ears. Just, you know, make it like a little M. We're gonna hot glue it to the back of the bunny's head. Okay, hot glue on the back. Okay, next step is the eyeball.
And can you glue your eye one?
Put it on there. Good job. You gotta look like Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog here.
Kermit the Frog here.
You know where this one goes?
Where?
On his tail.
Oh, look at a little bunny.
So to draw his face, we're gonna draw an upside down triangle, and then like from the point, we're gonna do like a U and another U. Not an artist here.
Not artist here.
Upside down triangle, and then it's like 2 little U's, and then his tail, a little bunny foo-foo. That is your bunny shaker. Look, Sterling, you can make a bunny from an egg.
They don't come for eggs. And moving on.
Here's an easy way to repurpose those eggs and also to help teach your kids like what Easter is about, why we're actually celebrating and why there are Easter eggs everywhere. All right, so let's tell them what we need. A handy dandy
hot glue gun.
String of any kind. We're using thread, a needle, Sharpie. We need 5 different colored Easter eggs. First of all, thread your needle. We're also assuming that all Easter eggs have little holes in them. We're gonna do pink first. Pink reminds us of love, because God loves us.
We love God too.
We do. Thread the needle through the holes. You're gonna close your egg back up. So next, we're gonna do blue, because God sent his son to the earth, and the earth is blue. Next, we're gonna do purple. Then when Jesus was going to the cross, he was wearing a purple robe, and purple is a sign of royalty. Girl, you got corona? You good?
Yeah, babe.
Green is what we're gonna do next, because it represents new life. And Jesus rose from the grave.
Yeah.
Like spring, how all of our trees are getting green leaves.
Yeah, we do.
And new life.
Green and the trees.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those trees.
The last one in orange, and this represents the promise of heaven. God loves us so much that he sent his son to the earth. He died for us on the cross, and then he rose again, and then now we have a promise of eternity in heaven. If you want, you can tie a knot to the end. I think I'm just gonna hot glue mine because the thread's so small. Now we're gonna write on the egg so we can look at these and remember the meaning of Easter.
Easter egg.
Easter eggs, that's right. A heart on the pink one. Now we're gonna do a downward arrow. And on the purple one, we're gonna do a cross. And on the green one, we're gonna try to draw an empty tomb.
Next, the orange one.
And what are we gonna draw on that?
Up.
An arrow that goes up. All right, do you remember what all these mean?
Yep. God loves so much, sits on the earth, and died on the cross. He arose from the grave. He made it to heaven.
So that's just a couple things you can do with your Easter eggs after you find them in your yard this weekend. Remember, God loves ya.
And we do too.
I can't wait. I'm coming home.